Welcome back to another video. This question said a resistance wire of length 2 meters and uniform cross-sectional area of 5.0 times 10 raised to the minus 7 meters square has a resistance of 2.2 ohms. Calculate the resistivity and then calculate the conductivity. Okay, so let's start. Let's bring out the data that it's given. First, the length of the wire is 2 meters. The cross-sectional area is 5.0 times 10 raised to the power minus 7 meters square. Then the resistance of the wire R is 2.2 ohms. Then we have to calculate the resistivity. Resistivity is Rho equals to resistivity. Let's question mark, and then the conductivity of the wire is also question mark. Okay, so first, when you are asked to look for resistivity, what's the formula? So we know that resistivity, which is rho, is Ra over L, right? R is given, A is given, and L is also given. So what do? We substitute values. So our R is 2.2 times our A is 5 times 10 raised to minus 7, all divided by our L is 2. So our rho is equals to 2 here, 1, 2 here is 1.1 times 5 times 10 raised to minus 7. So multiply this, we have 5.5 times 10 raised to minus 7, right? And this is going to give us what? It's going to be the value of what? Our resistivity. And our resistivity was the unit ohm meter. Ohm meters. So we have gotten the resistivity. Now they went further to ask us to calculate the conductivity. So if this is I, so we go for II. Conductivity. So conductivity of a material is equal to the inverse of the resistivity, and that's presented with letter G, capital letter G. So your conductivity is inverse of what? Resistivity. So now that we have gotten resistivity, we can either substitute this value here or we swap the position of this value. So conductivity will be L divided by Ra, since it's inverse. We can have it that way or just substitute it here. So our conductivity is 1 over 5.5 times 10 raised to the minus 7, right? So if we do that, what is our value going to be? So this is going to be equal to, let's divide now, 1 divided by that value. Meanwhile, since this is 10 raised to the minus 7, we can now have 10 raised to the power of 7 divided by 1 times 10 raised to the power of 7 divided by 5.5. So our G will be equals to 1 divided by 5.5. So we have this value. 1 divided by 5.5 will give you 0.1818 times 10 raised to the power of 7. But then we have to balance this to standard form. So we have 1.818 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1 times 10 raised to the power of 7, right? So this is going to give you 1.8 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1 plus 7. So it's going to give you 1.8 times 10 raised to the power of what? This is going to give you 6. Now, what is the unit of conductivity? The unit of conductivity is nothing but ohm inverse m inverse. Just like saying per m per ohm, right? So that's just the unit of conductivity. So this can be combined as well. So we can have it as 1.8 times 10 raised to the power 6 ohm meters, like this. This is also okay in the calculation or in the unit. So this is where we're going to stop in this solution. I'll see you in other exciting videos. Make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and share with family and friends. Bye for now.